Furnace not working? Let's see if we can help you solve the problem by going over a few of the items that could be causing the issue. First item is your thermostat. Is the screen blank? If it is, try changing the batteries. Next, regardless of the type of thermostat, check to make sure it is set at the heat mode and that the temperature is set at a higher level than your current house temperature. Second item to check is if there is power to the furnace. Almost all furnace installations will have a power switch at the furnace. Normally, this looks just like a light switch. Make sure that the switch is on the on position. Sometimes it can accidentally get switched off by children playing or perhaps a pet in a playful mood. Word of caution on a time delay. Most systems nowadays have time delays. Normally, when the thermostat or the furnace power switch is reset, the furnace will have a delay in starting that could be up to 5 minutes, sometimes even a little longer. So be patient with that process.